Hello friends, welcome to Technical Talks with Technocrat Pradeep Ji. Today let us talk about three layers of an internet. See, we all use internet in our daily life. Do you know that there are three layers in the internet? Let me explain. So this internet can be divided into something called as a surface web, deep web, and then dark web. So we all use internet, and then whatever websites that we browse on a daily life, most of the times it is a part of a surface web. It could be a google.com or a facebook.com or a yahoo.com or any other website or any other URL that can be easily browsed just within a computer or a mobile phone with a web browser and having an internet connection is a part of a surface web. Whenever you go to search engines like a google.com or a Yahoo search or a Bing search, and then if you try searching for anything and then whatever links or web pages pop up, they will be a part of a surface web. To use a surface web, you don't need any authentication or anything, which are indexed in our search engines and then which can be accessed with any web browser at any time. Now coming to a second layer of an internet, which is a deep web. The contents in a deep web can be accessed only if you have a proper authentication or a link. For example, if you have a Gmail account, you must be having a Google Drive, and then you might have stored a couple of files in a Google Drive. Whenever I try to search something in any search engine, the contents in your Google Drive will never be listed here. They will not be indexed in any search engine. So if I have to access any contents in your Google Drive, you should have shared the appropriate link of that particular file, or I should have a proper authentication to access it. Now, whatever contents that are stored in a data centers or a large research institutions or a large universities, for example, any research institutes like a NASA or a ISRO might be doing a lot of research, and then they might have stored many things in their server, so which will also be not accessed in any web browser just with internet connection. So if you have to access any of those information, you have to have a proper authentication. This authentication could be a just simple username or a password or any other type of authentication like a biometric or anything, and if you are an authorized user, then only you can access it. The storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive, all these things can only be accessed if you are an authorized user. The contents stored here are a part of deep web. Now coming to a dark web. Before I start, let me warn you that most of the times the contents in dark web are illegal. Don't ever try to access the contents in a dark web and get into the trouble. In a dark web, drug trade, illegal arms trade, and then human trafficking, any military secrets, all these things are shared in a dark web. See, dark web cannot be accessed just using a normal web browser or anything. To use that, you need to have a special browsers, which I'm not going to explain in detail because I don't want you to get into trouble after watching this video. And do you know that whatever surface web that we all browse on the internet will be less than 5% of the total internet available. So remaining 95% of the content on the internet will be hidden in a deep web or a dark web. Hope you all like this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and then keep watching latest technical and educational videos, and click on like and then share so that this video can reach all your friends. Once again, thanks for watching. It was Technical Talks with Technocrat Pradeep Ji. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.